Hi everyone, my name's Suzanne and I'm currently here at Gulfstream to show you the benefits of buying Gulfstream's OneJet. This OneJet can fit into any spa. It doesn't have to be a Gulfstream spa. So whatever unit you have, this motor and this cap can be fit into your unit, and we're going to show you how to do it. It is so easy. The benefits of having this OneJet motor and cap is that it's totally disposable. It's a one-time use. You will put it in your pedicure unit, so you don't need to worry about contamination, cross-contamination or anything like that. This is 100% sanitized. It is 100% disposable, hygienic and recyclable. Your client has a pedicure and then afterwards this cap is then thrown away, and then you would get another cap and then put it on and have another pedicure for another client. And when you order, you will obviously get some material from Gulfstream, like this sticker here, to put on your spa to show that your customers that you are using this one-time use jet. Also, if you wish, if you want to advertise to your clients, you can order this banner which tells you all about the benefits of using the OneJet. If you would like some more information about the OneJet, just call into our toll-free line 1-877-622-4853 and you can talk to anyone about ordering the OneJet. Or if you just want any information, we can help you out with that too.